Good morning, student. Paper third, thermodynamics and statistical physics. Article first, assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. In last lecture, we have to study the properties of matter, solid, liquid, and gases. How to describe solid, liquid, and gases. The next article is assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. Some assumptions are followed. They are as follows. The kinetic theory of gases is based on the following main assumptions. First, stated by Clausius. Clausius is the main author of. They find out the assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. First one is a gas consists of a large number of extremely small molecules at NTP. NTP means normal temperature and pressure. The number of molecules in 1 cc, cc means cubic centimeter, of a gas is 2 into 10 to the power 19. Then second one is the molecule of a gas are considered to be rigid, perfectly elastic, spherical, identical in all respect such as mass, volume, etc. Then third one is the size of individual gaseous molecules is infinitely small as compared to the volume of the gas. Then next one is there is negligible force of attraction. We have studied in last properties of matter, solid, liquid, gases. Gas is the negligible force of attraction. The negligible force of attraction or repulsion between the gas molecules. The molecules are in a state of random motion. They are moving in all possible directions with all possible velocities. The velocity of molecule increases with temperature. Temperature increases, the velocity of molecules also increases. Sixth one is the molecule is in their random motion. They are moving in random motion and collide with one another. Such collisions are perfectly elastic, that they are not losing their kinetic energy. That's why they are perfectly elastic, that is there is no loss of kinetic energy during the collisions. Okay, next one is the time of impact is negligible in comparison with the time interval between successive collision. They are collide with each other. The impact of time is negligible or very small. Then eighth one is between two successive collisions, the molecules travel in a straight line with uniform velocity. They are travel with only straight line, not rotating or circular path. The distance traveled by a molecule between two successive collisions is called free path. This is the definition of free path. The distance traveled by a molecule between two successive collisions is called free path. And the average distance traveled by a molecule between two successive collisions is known as mean free path. This is the definition of mean free path. The average distance traveled by a molecule between two successive collisions is known as mean free path. A gas which satisfies all these assumptions, these are 8 assumptions, is called perfect gas or ideal gas. These rules are followed by this gas, that is the ideal gas. On the basis of next one is on the basis of kinetic theory, and expression for the pressure exerted by the gas can be derived and given by P is equal to 1 by 3 nmc square upon capital V, or P is equal to 1 by 3 capital M upon capital V into C square. Okay, since N into M is equal to capital M. N means total number of molecules and M means mass of the each molecule or each gas molecule, or P is equal to 1 by 3 mass upon volume is the density. Density indicated by rho into c square. This is the equation. P is equal to 1 by 3 rho into c square. Okay, where capital N is the total number of gas molecule in volume V. Capital M is the total mass of the gas, and rho is the density of the gas. Small m is the mass of each gas molecules, and c is the root mean square, means RMS velocity, okay, of the gas molecule. For 1 gram molecule, of a gas at T degree Kelvin, therefore PV is equal to 1 by 3 NMC square. Pressure and volume is equal to 1 by 3 NMC square. From the perfect gas equation, PV is equal to RT. This is the perfect gas equation. Put the value of PV in this equation. What is the value of PV? 1/3 NMC square is equal to RT. Okay. Multiply and divide by 2 on left hand side, this side, LHS side. 2 by 3 into capital N in bracket 1 by 3 MC square is equal to RT. Some value arises, that's why multiplying this 2 for adjustment. Therefore 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 MC square is equal to 3 by 2 RT upon N0, since N is equal to N0 and N0 means Avogadro's number. N0 means Avogadro's number. The value of N and N0 are equal. That's why using the N0. Therefore 1 by 2 MC square is equal to 3 by 2 K into T. Since R upon N or N0 is equal to K. K means Boltzmann constant. The value of R upon N0 is equal to K, small k. That's why I am using 3 by 2 K into T. Okay, where K is called Boltzmann constant. Therefore 1 by 2 MC square is directly proportional to T. Okay, that is average kinetic energy. This is the kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of a gas molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. Okay, from the above equation, in this equation, then we get C square is equal to 3 kT upon m. Some rearrangement in the equation, or C square is equal to 3 RT upon n into m. Value of K is R upon n. Therefore, P is equal to 1 by 3 rho into C square, or 1 by 3, put the value of C square. What is the value of C square? 3 kT upon m. These 3 get cancelled. Write down the remaining value, rho into C into T upon m. Value of P is equal to rho into C into T. Sorry, rho into K into T. This is the remaining value, rho, K and T divided by m. Therefore, C is equal to square root of 3 kT upon m, or C is equal to square root of 3 RT upon n m, since n m is equal to capital M, means molecular weight, or C is directly proportional to capital T. Okay, since K is equal to R upon n0. This K, sorry, this is R. This K and this K will get cancelled. Remaining value is same term will be cancelled. Remaining value square root of T. This is the final equation. The RMS velocity of the gas molecule is directly proportional to the square root of the absolute temperature of the gas. This is the RMS velocity of the gas molecule is directly proportional to the square root of the absolute temperature. Temperature increases, velocity also increases. Temperature decreases, velocity also decreases.